Hey AI lovers, today we're diving into something super exciting in the world of AI image editing, Qwen-Image-Edit. This is the latest release from the Qwen team, and trust me, it's going to blow your mind. So what exactly is Qwen-Image-Edit? It's an advanced image editing model built on top of Qwen-Image 20B. While Qwen-Image was already powerful at text rendering, this new version takes it a step further. Now you can do both semantic editing and appearance editing, all with amazing precision. Let's break down the main features. Semantic and appearance editing. Semantic editing lets you change the meaning of an image while keeping it consistent, like rotating objects, creating new views, or applying style transfer. Appearance editing, on the other hand, keeps the image the same, but lets you add, remove, or tweak small details like adjusting clothing or cleaning up stray hair. Precise text editing. Unlike most tools, Qwen-Image-Edit can directly edit English and Chinese text in images. Not just replacing fonts, it preserves the original style, size, and layout. Benchmark performance. On public benchmarks, it's already achieving state-of-the-art results, proving it's not just hype, but a powerful foundation model. Let us try Image Edit. You just click on Image Edit and try one of the prompts you can see. Default image is attached with prompt. Please select any one of this. I select this Restore Old Photograph, remove scratches, reduce noise, enhance details, high resolution, realistic, natural skin tones, clear facial features, no distortion, vintage photo restoration. And here's the after image processed by Qwen-Image-Edit. Scratches and noise are completely removed. The details like facial features and clothing are enhanced. Skin tones look natural, not artificial. The overall resolution is much sharper while still keeping that vintage feel. You can also upload your picture and describe how I'd like it edited. Now I uploaded my photo to the Qwen-Image-Edit tool. I simply typed a prompt. Change background to a beach. Qwen's AI instantly analyzes the photo and replaces the background with a realistic beach. The result looks completely natural and you can download it with just one click. If you enjoyed this demo and learned something new, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Just AI Space for more amazing AI tools and tutorials.